Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn standard 10th English medium subject maths chapter number 13 exercise 13.1. Now start with question number 7. Two questions are remain in this exercise 7 and 8, so solve in this lecture. In question number 7, tent is a shape of cylinder. So first you can draw here tent as a cylindrical shape. So this type. Now, so when you can start watching this video, you have compulsory take maths textbook with you, because question when read in this lecture, in this video lecture, so you can compare and sentence can be check and understand by maths textbook. Tent is a shape of cylindrical surrounded at a conical top. Conical top, it means cone shape at the top. Height and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 and 4 centimeters. So given details for cylinder, height and radius. What is height? 2.1 meters, and radius are given. Diameter, so diameter can be d is equal to 4 meter, therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So height and radius can be asked in given in question. The slant height of the top, slant height means L, can be given is equal to 2.8 meters. Slant height is equal to 2.8 meter. Now find the area of canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of canvas of tent at rate of rupees 500 per centimeter square. Not that the base of tent will be not covered with canvas. So first you have to find total surface area of canvas. So total surface area of canvas, used in the tent, is equal to total surface area of which shape? Cylindrical plus conical part. So friends, only shape can be identified and then put equation, so very easy to solve. Curved surface area of cylinder, we also know that 2 pi rh, plus conical tent pi rl, which are common? Pi r. So remain part 2h plus l. Value of r, what? 2. Put 2h. 2h means what? 2 multiply by h. h are given 2.1. L means slant height, so you can find out answer, solve by itself, and answer can be 44 meter square, solve by itself. Now find cost. So in this question here, the rate of canvas is rupees 500 per meter square. It means 1 meter square is equal to rupees 500. So our answer is 44 meter square. 44 meter square means what? How many rupees? Therefore 44 multiply by 500, therefore rupees 22,000 30 22,000 are the rupees of cost. Question number 8. From the solid cylinder whose height is 2.5 centimeter and diameter. So height of cylindrical, for cylinder, height what? 2.4 centimeter, diameter, so represented by d 1.4. Therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, 14 half 0.7. Draw the cylindrical shape. Here cylindrical is shape, so which cylinder are given? Solid cylinder. Solid cylinder, it means its circle can be also counted. So here solid pen means this circle can be counted. Hollow pen it means here hollow, the no surface area of circle can be counted. So remember that these points. Then the same height and same diameter is hollow out. Diameter will be same, height will be same. Hollow out, it means cut. Find the total surface area of remain solid to the nearest centimeter square. For conical tent, shape can be given with cut out this part. This part can be cut out by the cylindrical. Which cylindrical? Solid cylindrical. This part can be cut out. So find out remaining solid area. Remaining solid area, it means first find which. So what our equation can be created? Total surface area of remaining solid. Total surface area of find remaining solid is equal to what? Total surface, here which shape? Curve surface area. Therefore curve surface area of cylindrical. Curve surface area of cylinder plus solid, therefore area of base cylinder. Important point, area of this base circles also count, plus curve surface area of conical cavity. So this shape can be created solid, it means down part can be covered by circle, and in hollow, it means in cavity, conical tent can be created. So three parts: cylindrical, area base, and this conical cavity. So what our equation can be created? 2 pi RH plus pi R square plus pi RL. This pi RL can be found. It means value of L square is equal to what? H square plus R square. H means height, 2.4 plus R 0.7 square. So you got value of L square. L square is equal to 6.25. Therefore L is equal to under root 6.5, 2.5 centimeter. So put all value in this question and then find 2 pi RH plus pi R square. What equation? Two means in three bracket, in three term, what are common? Pi R can be common. So first part 2H, here only R, here only L. So pi means what? 22 by 7, R means 0.7. 2 multiply by H, 2 multiply by 2.14 plus R 0.7 plus L 2.5. 0.7 means what? So 22 by 7 multiply by 7 divided by 10 bracket 2 multiply by 24 divided by 10 plus 7 divided by 10 plus 25 divided by 10. This can be cancelled out. 22 divided by 10. 2 into 24. 4 into 2 8. 2 into 2 4 10. Plus 7 divided by 10 plus 25 divided by 10. What are LCM? 10. Therefore 22 divided by 10 multiply by bracket 48 plus 2 plus 25 written down here and multiplication. After multiplication you got answer 70.6 centimeter square. In question given to nearest centimeter square, so 70.6, it means 18 centimeter square are the nearest value of total surface area of this remaining solid. So friends, here exercise will be completed. Now next exercise will be solution by next video. Thank you friends.